Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the pre-Eid face mask that I tried just recently and thought to share with you all. So it is effective, so that is the reason I'm going to share with you all. So firstly I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of coffee. Whichever brand you have, you can use it. Grounded coffee. So we are going to grind it to get the fine. You can see that it is very thin and looking very soft, so it is good to use. So equal amount of quantity we will use, like 1 tablespoon of coffee we took, so same amount will be the yogurt. If you don't have Greek yogurt, you can take like normal how I took, but for better results you can take Greek yogurt. And same amount 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Now slowly mix it well until there is no lumps. You have to apply this with brush on your face for 25 minutes or 20 minutes at least. So do try out. Using a damp cloth, you can take it out and wash with cold water. Thrice a week you have to try it, and first attempt itself you can see the difference. So definitely try and share your views with me. Thank you for watching.